Stessa is a financial tracking and analytical platform built specifically for real estate investors rather than traditional property managers. It focuses on automated income and expense tracking, performance dashboards and investment reporting. One of its biggest advantages is clear visibility into cash flow, ROI and property performance. Stessa's free tier offers strong functionality which makes it attractive to cost-conscious investors. The platform integrates with your bank account to streamline bookkeeping. However, Stessa is limited in tenant management features. Maintenance tracking and communication tools are also extremely minimal. It is not designed for a replace for a full property management system. Advanced features may also require paid plans. Customization options are somewhat restricted and limited. However, Stessa is ideal for portfolio analysis and financial oversight. It works best when paired with another management tool. An investor's focus on numbers will benefit the most and seeing their ROI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.